welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you another recipe how I make my grilled chicken, also called Poulet Braise. Like it's a really simple recipe, so delicious. This time I serve it with with Attieke and the fried plantain. I have my chili here and a little bit of sauce onion. It's really delicious, guys, like always. So stay tuned for this video and I will show you how I make this. I have here 2 kilograms of chicken. I clean the chicken with salt and vinegar. You can keep or remove the chicken skin to your own taste. I did both for this recipe. Choose the spices you like. I used the black pepper, curry powder, chili powder, paprika, ginger. I added some turmeric, chicken seasoning and dry herbs like thyme or rosemary, and also salt to taste. I love parsley, so I will add a bunch of it with some basil leaf. I will add a head of garlic, some green peppers, half of an onion, lime juice, mustard, and few tablespoons of oil. I will serve this with cooked attieke, fried plantains, salad, and some onion sauce. Start with making some incision on the chicken. I use chicken leg for this recipe, but you can use any part of the chicken. Then season the chicken with a bit of turmeric. Please don't add a lot or you will spoil this recipe, and some salt. Place in a pot and add some black pepper. Cover with 1 cup of water and cook. Don't add a lot of water in the pot because the chicken will release his juice. Now, let's prepare the marinade. In a food processor or a blender or anything you have, add all the garlic, the small onion, the green bell peppers, add the basil leaf and slice the parsley and add in. Now mix all together. In a large bowl, add 3 tablespoons of mustard. Then add the spices like black peppers, ginger, curry powder, chili powder, paprika. Use the dry herbs you like thyme or rosemary, and add the chicken seasoning and salt to your taste. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of the parsley mixture. I will keep the rest for my onion sauce. Then I will mix and add a tablespoon of oil. Squeeze in a juice of 1 lime and mix well. Once the chicken is cooked, remove and marinate with that mixture. You can leave it for 15 or 20 minutes to rest. Then prepare your barbecue or your oven or anything you have and place the chicken and sprinkle with a bit of oil. Grill your chicken until done. Don't forget to turn often and add the marinade. Serve your chicken with what you like. But for me, I made an onion sauce, so I will serve it attieke, alloco, salad and onion sauce with hot pepper. So yummy. Please guys, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment if you have any question. Have a nice day.